I'm sure a good massage will help.
What?
Yeah, let me.
Oh, no. I'll be fine. You know, yeah, I'll just sleep off. I'll sleep it off. Yeah, I'll be okay. Really? Yes, please. Don't do that.
He smells good. What a birdie. Anyways, let me repay you for choosing me. Indeed, you have good eyes for beautiful girl like me. Let me take care of you.
Whoa. Repay me how? You know what? You know, I don't think that would be necessary. Okay? But what's your name again?
Yes. My name is Anita. I am the only daughter of the Commissioner for Transportation in the state. And you are the only son. That makes you heir apparent to the throne of Amanat or kingdom. You know, we're just too perfect for each other.
Can you stop running your fingers through my body, please? I know you might not like this, you might find it unpleasant to hear, but I have to say.
Oh, sweetheart. Go ahead, tell me. You like me so much.
I want to sleep. Oh. I want to sleep.
Oh, you want to sleep?
Yeah.
That's fine. Let me allow you and help you catch a good sleep.
Alone in my room. Anita, right? Listen, I'm trying to be civil here. Please don't. Stop touching me, please.
Okay. My door is next to yours. In case you get bored at midnight, you can just knock and I will be right here. Okay?
Yeah. Thank you for understanding. Thank you very much. That belongs to you, I believe. Thank you. Good night. Good night.
Yes. Good night.
Yes, good night.
Oh! I'll see you tomorrow. Right?
Possibly.
Yeah, indeed. Oh, one more thing.
What?
Okay.
Don't do it.
I understand you're shy, but don't worry. We'll get to do this more often. Good night, baby.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.